I never seen anything like it. Well, that's something you normally don't see at a garage sale. Just in case I got murdered, you find me in the basement. Good morning. Good, how are you? All right. What kind of golf clubs are these?
I think they're called Founders.
Okay.
They're like brand new. They're, I think they were used 3 times. My wife, I had to make her stop. I was embarrassed. I'm joking.
That's funny.
Don't tell her right.
I won't tell her. I see the baseball hat. Do you have any baseball sports cards for sale at all by any chance? I figured I would ask.
I've got the Patriots.
Yeah, I saw the sports stuff, so that's why I was asking. But
those work. That ironing board for pants.
Yeah.
That is something you ought to think about.
Yeah.
That thing is $295 new.
I never seen anything like it. Was it?
Used one on Amazon for $250.
Wow.
I'd sell it for $25, just to shore up space.
Yeah. Do I want to deal with it? Let me take a look.
I mean,
I'd never seen anything like that before.
oh yeah, you stick your pants down in here, and it presses them.
Press them for you, huh?
Oh yeah.
What's it called? A Corby Classic?
And like I said, I just checked yesterday just to see $295.
Oh yeah, here we go. I see it. One sold for 100 on eBay, one sold for 75, one sold for 75. So that's a good deal.
Yeah, it really is. But you saw it on eBay.
Yeah, saw it on eBay.
75.
Yep, it was sold. That was sold comp. So.
Yeah, that one I didn't even check
I
eBay.
look on eBay and I look at sold comps. It's not bad. I mean, that's probably a great deal for it.
It's
just bulky.
This skateboard's something I would think you'd be interested in.
Yeah.
It's brand new practically.
Yeah. I'm just trying to stay away from big bulky items right now. It's super interesting. Well, I appreciate you showing it to me. I think I'm going to pass on it, though. Thank you, though.
Take care, man.
Yep. How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Hey, bud.
Hey, buddy.
Where's the rest of them?
They're right here. Oh, John's inside. You see him?
I just saw him.
You see across the street? I mean, all set up over there?
That's what I was telling Mike when he called me. I was like, there's like 6 sales around. Don't tell me. If you could get into it, any building, house,
Okay.
whatever, you can look.
All right. What's up, John?
Oh, what's up? Oh, I thought you guys were already here.
No, we were down the road. We picked a spot and then we just kind of.
I had never even thought to come up this way.
Yeah, we're all over town, man.
Yeah, this is like Amherst County or whatever, so I never even thought to come up here for another mile. Something in here's got to be worth something.
Dude, he said anywhere you can go to find
I've
stuff.
seen you buying cars and stuff before.
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I saw that. I prefer that the box.
Yeah.
But
Can I ask them if they have this?
I know that's why I was looking at the camera here. What's this Sony? This is Sony Cybershot.
What a mess.
I don't. Oh, nice. Olympus. Anytime I find digital cameras at a garage sale, first thing I'm going to do is look them up on eBay and see what they sell for parts, just in case they don't work. At least it gives me a baseline of what I want to pay for them. What are you guys asking for, like, cameras and stuff like this?
I guess I'll take, I don't know, a couple bucks.
$2, okay. Bro, this is wild.
Yeah.
She told me a couple bucks on the camera stuff. It's a CPAP machine.
I probably need one of those.
Some paperweights. Bro, there's a basement.
Get him.
Bro, Mike. Just in case I get murdered. Come on. Just in case I get murdered. You find me in the basement. Oh, this is wild. Down this basement. I'm assuming someone probably passed away who lived here, and then the family's just trying to sell everything off for the property. They also have a bunch of sheds and stuff outside that we're going to head up next. Yeah, I was hoping those whiskey bottles up top was full. I don't know. Don't get out. This is wild. You walk in the house?
No, I don't want to.
What?
I don't know if I want to.
You probably shouldn't.
Let me go get Madison. I'm not sure what she was for.
This setup is pretty crazy. There's stuff inside the house, in the basement, in the front yard, on the side of the house, and then they have all these little sheds popped up with all kind of items inside of them. So hopefully we can find some more items to flip online here for a profit. Keep an eye on these 13-inch CRT TVs. They are perfect for retro gaming. This TV usually goes about for like 50 to 75 bucks. They're very easy to ship. If I wasn't traveling at the moment, I definitely would have picked this TV up. I probably could have got it for about $5. Oh my gosh. Oh, this place. It's never a good sign when I go out picking and I come up to an area and all the drawers and cabinets are opened. That usually means someone has already gone through to try to ransack it or tried to find all the good items in the drawers. Just to walk through this one more time. Here we go, right here. Alright, what we get? Oh man. Is this your box?
You can take it. I'm not gonna get it.
No. You don't want it?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm not a fan of the team, and it's probably worth it if you can get it for $1 or $2.
These hats brand new usually sell between 30 and 40 bucks. Used, I could probably get about 10 to 15 for it. Oh my god, that's gotta be, that TV looks like it weighs 300 pounds.
What's that?
That TV looks like it weighs 300 pounds.
It doesn't work.
No, it doesn't work.
Well, we done sold furniture in here. There used to be a lamp set up somewhere that turned on.
Bro, how do you not bring your phone?
It's on drug. I mean, I can wait. Ooh.
Is this stuff in here for sale?
It is. I'm gonna have to get Uncle
Okay.
who has the key.
Do you know how much that well, before you bring it out, do you know how much they're asking for the Batman?
It had an $8 sticker on it. I think it's less than that.
Let me get back to that.
How's it going? They said you wanted to get in the cabinet or something?
I was just asking about how much the Batman was. What they were asking for this car right here.
I have no idea about it. I think when my dad bought it, it was $8 or something.
Yeah.
What's it worth?
I don't know.
Ooh. There it is.
I don't even know, dude. I mean, are they worth something?
I don't know. I haven't seen it before. That's why I was curious what you guys are asking for it. So one sold in the UK for 46, one for 52. That's UK.
Okay. So what do you think? Y'all make an offer.
I would buy it the resale, so I would offer you like 20 bucks for it.
Okay.
Not the Pokemon blanket.
Let me know what you want to see.
Yeah, I'll just get this one, man.
Okay.
I just wasn't sure there's any other ones like this. I'd say I like this one because it's in the box.
Yeah, that makes a big difference.
Yeah.
eBay prices.
How much you guys want for this here?
Yeah.
25 to work.
25. That's exactly what I was thinking.
All right, good.
Good, man. All right. Pay the boss lady.
Yeah, pay the boss.
Pay the boss lady.
Excuse me. One of them.
All right.
Someone gave me that hat nice. Really? Yeah, for my birthday.
So we're 25.
Oh, that makes it 452.
Did you already price it for you?
Yeah, they said 25 for the lot.
Yeah, that's an old hat.
It was yours, right?
Thank you so much.
What, the last of it?
Hello.
Plus 3 years, or what happened?
Orthodontic tour. Well, that's something you don't see at a garage sale.
Oh, yeah, right. Yeah.
All the tools, pull teeth. Not gonna lie, this is probably one of the weirdest things I come across in a yard sale in a while. A whole container of orthopedic tools to remove teeth. You just don't normally see that at a garage sale. Good morning. How are you guys doing today?
Doing good so far.
$2.
Got a backgammon game.
Not back. Yeah. You want backgaming? I don't know. So it's actually a really nice board, actually.
It is a nice board.
For $1, that's a steal.
It is. You know, not too many people play that anymore.
I know. It's one of those things that's gone to the wayside.
Yeah.
Good luck in your sale, sir. I probably should have picked up that backgammon set. For $1, it was a great deal, but I bought those in the past. They only go for like 15, 20 bucks, and unfortunately, they take a while to sell. Just like the guy said, a lot of people don't play backgammon anymore, unfortunately. For that abandoned house, how crazy was that house and that setup there? I must have been there for like 45 minutes, walking through it, going through everything. I love going to houses like those. I also hate it because when I walk out, I feel like I just need to take a shower. And not to mention, I'm afraid to put my hand anywhere, especially like going in the basement and in the sheds. You never know what type of critter or something's going to pop out there. Some of you are probably going to think I paid too much for that Batman car. Well, let me tell you this. So when I first pulled the comps were like 52 and like 55, but they were only sold in the UK. There wasn't really any, I don't think there was any listings in the US at that moment. I thought because if it sold for like 55 in the UK, I thought I can get between 75 and 100 here in the States. So I thought 20 bucks was a fair offer. I listed on eBay for $99.99 best offer and ended up selling it for 85 bucks. So that was a pretty good pickup. I was really happy with that. But anyway, guys, please make sure that you guys do like and subscribe. Come check me out on Dibit Cards this week on Wednesday, August 13th. I'm actually going to be doing a stream with Gary V. We're going to be breaking some V Friends cards. I'll put a link down in the description down below. So please come hang out. The show starts at 4:45. We'll be on there answering some questions and give away a ton of stuff. Gary V autographs, some free cards, other stuff. So I would love it if you guys would be there. Come hang out and show some support. But anyway, guys, appreciate you guys so much. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.